Hey guys, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. On today's CSS session, we are going to learn about various styles of border. But before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new videos. So not being late, let's start today's session. I have one sample web page and I have also added some paragraph setting properties. So on today's session we are going to add a border for this paragraph, and we will also learn to give the various styles of borders that can be applied for any text paragraphs or block elements. So let's begin to add the CSS properties for creating the border. For adding the border on any element, we will give a property border, and on the value of this border property we can give the various styles. Like for giving the solid line, we can use a solid value which adds a solid line border to our element. Here we can see that we have a black solid line border that had been added in our text box. If you want to change the style of this border lines, we can change this value like dashed. Now we can see that we have the dashed style of border line. Similarly, we can use dotted, which gives the dot line style for our border line. Also we have another styles like double, which gives the double line for our border. And along with this, we have some 3D featured styles like groove, and also we have inset. We can see that we have some 3D featured borders for our text block. Similarly, we have also an outset that adds a border with a 3D featured border line. Similarly, we have another style ridge, which makes our text blocks border 3D ridged style. For now, I am setting a border as a outset. Now, after giving the style to our border, we can also change the color of our border. For this, we can add another value on this same property border, giving the space and give the color name like red. Now we can see that we have a red color border. We can also give the color value as an hex code. Similarly, if we want to change the width of our borderline, we can give another value for our borderline, just giving the space and give the value like 10 pixel. Now we can see that our borderline has a 10 pixel width. In this way, by using this single border property, we can give the value for the style and also value for the color and the value for the border width. You can also define these styles, color and sizes individually. So to define the border color individually, we can use the property border color and give the color name. Similarly, to give the border width individually, we can give the border dash width property and give a value like 1 pixel. And for adding the individual border style property, we will use border style and give the style value solid. Now we can see that we have a red colored solid 1 pixel border. So to apply this 1 pixel red color solid border line, we can use a single line property border instead of using this 3 line properties like border 1 pixel solid red. This property also works the same as we done in 3 line property. Along with this, by using the CSS, we can change a different values, different color and different style for each side of borders. Like we can make the dashed green color for this top border, and same as different color and different style and size for any of these sides of border. For this, we can use a property border dash top, and then we will give the values like 5 pixel solid green. For green, 5 pixel top border. For now, we just added a border top, so we have just top border with a 5 pixel width and solid green color. Similarly, we can add another border sides with various styles as per our requirement, like border right 10 pixel dashed red. Now we have two borders on our top and right side, and on our right side we have 10 pixel dash red color border. Similarly, let's add another borders too. Border left 2 pixel double blue. Border bottom 20 pixel raise yellow. Here we can see that we have a border of all direction with different values and different styles. In this way, we can design our border styles for our text blocks or any body elements by using this CSS border properties. That's all for today. We will come back soon with new session videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.